The next dish that we are going to see is mango Srikanth. This is originated from western part of India. India is known for its different varieties of mangoes. That's why I wanted to show you also a recipe with mango. And this is mango Srikanth. The key ingredient is the yogurt. So we used to take the yogurt and collect only the curd cheese, yogurt cheese from it. So how to do is just take a pot and take a sieve. You need to put a muslin cloth on top and add the yogurt and leave it for 3 to 4 hours aside, such a way that the whey would collect at the bottom and you would have the curd cheese on the sieve. Then you can use the curd cheese, which is, we also call it as hung yogurt, and this is very creamy and the water is out and it is very thick. You can also use Greek yogurt instead of that, and this is the main ingredient. And the next main ingredient is the mango pulp. This is the Alfonso mango pulp. Today I am using a canned mango pulp. You can also use fresh mango and puree it. So 1 cup of hung yogurt or yogurt cheese and half a cup of mango pureed pulp and few tablespoons of sugar, powdered sugar, and these are the main ingredients. And we are also going to add some nuts to it. I have taken some almonds and some pistachios, and for toppings some mango pieces. And for the flavoring we are going to add some cardamom. So I have ground the cardamom into powder. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon and some saffron strands. So these are the ingredients. Now we are going to make the mango Srikanth. So this is a no cook recipe and you can make it in 2 minutes. If you have all the ingredients ready, just you need to mix it and then the dessert is ready. So now I will add the hung yogurt, one cup, add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can adjust according to your sweet taste. If you want, you can add a little bit more sugar as well. And now you can give it a mix before adding mango pulp. Add 1/4 teaspoon of powdered cardamom. This dish is served chilled. So once you are done, you have to keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Then once it is chilled, you can enjoy. So now add some chopped nuts. I'm adding chopped almonds, a tablespoon, and also tablespoon of pistachios. Give it a mix. And now our dessert is ready. Now I will plate it. So now we can serve it in the bowl. Should look like this, creamy. It should not be too watery or it should not be too thick. Nice and creamy consistency. Now you can decorate with chopped nuts and mangoes on top. Some almonds, some pistachios, some mango pieces, finally some saffron on top. So this is it. So simple dessert. So ready to have mango Srikanth.